the phone call I never wanted to get. Hello?
Is this Steve Johnson?
Yes?
There's been a fire.
There are 100 things racing through my mind. Is my family okay? Are they safe?
Help! Help!
Is our house all right? I should have been there. I could have protected my family.
Sir, are you there? Sir? Mr. Johnson? Mr. Johnson, are you there? Sir, your family is safe. The smoke alarms worked.
This family wasn't lucky, they were prepared. An accidental small fire started in their laundry room after they went to sleep. But that's where this story ends, because this family had installed smoke alarms in their house. You're working late, your family's home fast asleep. No one is awake to smell the smoke, but while they sleep, they're protected by their smoke alarms. Smoke alarms can protect your family when you're not able to. Smoke alarms that work save lives. Why wouldn't you install them? Smoke alarms can cut your chances of dying in a home fire by approximately 40%, and maintaining them is as easy as replacing a 9-volt battery every 6 months and testing them monthly. Protect your family while you're away. They deserve it. Of course, the only way a smoke alarm will work is if it can alert you. What if someone you're trying to protect can't hear well? Millions of Americans are hearing impaired, including a large percentage of our senior citizen community, and won't necessarily be able to hear a smoke alarm. But there are alternatives out there. Some smoke alarms flash lights as well as beep. Others include a vibrating component, which is placed under your pillow while you sleep. When we say that smoke alarms will protect your family, we mean everybody.
Don't wait till it's too late. Install your smoke alarms. Inspect them on a regular basis. Protect your family.
Hello, and welcome to the Orange County Safe Apartment Online Training. In this segment, we will be learning about maintaining working smoke alarms in apartments and how you can help save lives. Remember to install, inspect, and protect. Participants will learn about smoke alarm requirements by 1. Understanding the importance of having working smoke alarms. 2. Knowing the different types of smoke alarms. 3. Identifying the proper locations to install working smoke alarms. And 4. Initiating best practices to engage with your residents and maintain working smoke alarms. Did you know that working smoke alarms save lives? Last year, more than 2,665 people in the United States died in a home fire. While 94% of homes have smoke alarms, almost 2/3 of all home fire deaths occur in homes with no smoke alarm or no working smoke alarm. A tool is only good if it is in good working order and used properly. It isn't enough for a smoke alarm to be in place. It has to be maintained regularly. But let's back up a second and reflect for a moment on the history of smoke alarms. In 1978, the United States peaked with 6,015 home fire deaths. At that time, less than half of the country had smoke alarms. With so many fatalities happening, the push for smoke alarms finally found its footing. In 1980, half the country had at least one home smoke alarm. In 1982, 2/3 of the country had at least one home smoke alarm. In 1984, 3/4 of the country had at least one home smoke alarm. Progress was made and home fire deaths fell significantly. So where do we stand now? In 2010, there was an estimated 2,665 home fire deaths. Working smoke alarms do make a difference and they save lives. And while it is good to have smoke alarms, it is even more important that the owners, property managers, and maintenance staff become knowledgeable about the various types of smoke alarm systems. There are 3 types of alarm systems that you should be familiar with. There are smoke alarm systems powered by electricity, batteries, and commercial smoke alarm systems. Smoke alarms that are hardwired to the building household electrical system are typically installed by an electrician when the structure is built. This type of smoke alarm system is generally equipped with a backup battery, and it is suggested that you change the battery according to the manufacturer's recommendation. These recommendations vary depending on the model of the smoke alarm. It is highly suggested that smoke alarms are replaced every 10 years or per manufacturer recommendation. And if someone is testing an electrically powered smoke alarm and it does not respond in a timely or audible fashion, then it needs to be replaced promptly. Another common type of smoke alarm system is one that is not connected to the building household electrical power. This system relies solely on batteries to keep it functioning. Therefore, it is essential that battery smoke alarm systems have the batteries replaced per manufacturer recommendation. With the battery smoke alarm systems, it is not a one-size-fits-all approach. There are various models available, and it is important to verify the type of smoke alarm installed in order to provide the best maintenance for the system. There are some newer smoke alarms on the market that are powered by batteries lasting 10 years. The recommendation is not replace the battery, but to replace the entire unit every 10 years or when not functioning properly. It is vital that you have a method for testing battery-operated smoke alarms monthly. Commercial smoke detection system is the third type of commonly used smoke alarm systems. This system is powered by a low-voltage power supply. It is connected to a fire alarm control unit, and it has the ability to dial a central monitoring station. This system has to be tested by a licensed fire alarm company once a year, and then a copy of the annual fire alarm testing report needs to go to the fire department. Well, now that you have seen the business side, how about where to place the smoke alarm inside the apartment homes? You need to have a working smoke alarm on every level of the unit and in the hallway leading to every sleeping area. If your residents experience nuisance alarms, your smoke alarms may not be in the proper location. The Orange County Fire Authority has a new smoke alarm program with the motto of install, inspect, protect. Basically, we want you to have the correct smoke alarms installed in the right place. If you are not familiar on where to place your smoke alarm, call the Orange County Fire Authority and we can help you out. Once you have the smoke alarms installed, you need to know how to take care of them. The second part is to inspect your smoke alarms once a month. Test them to make sure they are working properly. Vacuum them out at least twice a year, and teach your residents how to test them too. The last part is to protect the family. Have a plan for what to do when a smoke alarm activates. Make sure to have 2 ways out and have a meeting place. When everyone is out safely, call 911. Inform your residents of the escape plans that are posted and what to do when they hear a smoke alarm. To ensure that you protect all of your residents, there are many solutions. For the hearing impaired, there are smoke alarms that activate a strobe light or vibration device under the pillow. For children, there are smoke alarms which allow you to record a special message to help wake a child. These are just some of the ways you can help protect your residents. Here are some best practices that you can enact to protect your residents. Establish a policy that ensures that all smoke alarms are in good working condition. Verify the age of your smoke alarms. Replace your smoke alarms if they are 8 to 10 years old or in accordance with the manufacturer's requirements. Talk to your residents about nuisance activations. If they have experienced problems, try to find a solution rather than pull out the battery or remove the device. Ask your residents if they know what to do if a smoke alarm activates. If you see smoke, evacuate the building and then call 911. Congratulations! You have just completed the Orange County Safe Apartment Smoke Alarm Module. We covered a large amount of information in hope that we may all work together to make your apartment community safer. In this module, you have learned how to 1. Understand the importance of having working smoke alarms. 2. Knowing the different types of smoke alarms. 3. Understanding the importance of install, inspect, and protect. And 4, initiating best practices to engage with your residents and maintain working smoke alarms. If you would please click on the link provided, you will be taken to the review questions. Please answer these questions as part of the completion for Orange County Safe Apartments online training. Thank you for your participation and attention. We hope that you will continue to support and educate your residents, which will create a safer living environment for everyone.